playing that.
My bad. He trying to interrupt my uncle when he's speaking. Please shut up. Shut up. So hey y'all, we doing our first mukbang. I know a lot of y'all been asking. I know a lot of y'all been asking for us to do something like this. So mukbang, you basically just talking.
That's good. I ain't gonna put one.
Well, like I said, when you try something new, you gotta sit there and eat it. You gotta sit there. You can't just get it to go, because you don't know what the hell you get.
Man, I'm trying to do.
And these are not seasoned fried.
They don't change the. When you bite inside this, it's like a mushy.
What? Nobody told me.
So I got fish and waffles. I ain't gonna lie, y'all could hear him already complaining, but it's really not that good. My uncle requested us to go there.
Yeah, either one said it was good.
That other place was good.
Right.
It was bullshit, man.
Well, you the one said it was good.
What? I asked him, he can't just have these Cajun?
No, they
Where?
I ain't no season
I
on
didn't hear a word you just said.
We asked for Cajun fried.
Oh, y'all got fries?
I mean seasoned fried. But ain't no season on here. It's just regular fried. That's why I said I like my hot macs.
Yeah, I like them too. They killing this. Homeboy went up there. That shit was good.
You want some?
It was a different owner.
I'm surprised.
Here.
It ain't custard crab no more, is it? Whatever you said was the name of it. Somebody else bought him out. Because he know he can do good, but he ain't making no money. Because he can't get a lot of people up in there. What?
Go ahead.
You didn't see that motherfucker?
What I do?
What did she do? I ain't see it. I promise you I didn't.
They wasn't hungry no more, but...
Who wasn't hungry?
No, keep talking what you was talking about. So,
Man.
today, I don't know what we're going to talk about, but let's see, what could we talk about?
Don't never go back. If y'all live here in Tennessee,
No, favorite.
don't go. No. I mean, you might like it. You might like it. I don't like it.
So, a lot of y'all don't know.
That might be something out of mama and daddy.
Listen, a lot of y'all don't know that
But I wouldn't know.
this is my granny's son. May not dating. It's not her friend.
Hell not my son.
This is her son. She just look a little young, so that's why.
So what's it about me, goddamn?
Hey, they be saying it, not me. But, yeah. You just said you didn't want none. When I just offered you some food.
What the hell you talking to?
Are you here? Taking it here.
What the hell?
So, my granny just said it, but...
Ain't nobody over there. Who the hell you getting food to?
No, I'm saying my granny said, but...
Uh-uh.
Y'all, we from Nashville. I was born there.
Mm-hmm.
They was born someplace. Where was you born?
Tennessee.
Where was you born? And y'all, sorry for the setup. It's going to get better, but right now, this was just a little quick one, too, so I just had to hurry up and set up.
I ain't from Nashville. We ain't in Nashville. I don't live in Nashville.
He should was born
I
in
was
Nashville.
born in Nashville. And I grew up in pretty much Nashville.
Yeah.
Where's you from?
West
We're not
Tennessee.
asking you. Shut up. Why are you trying to open your mouth when I'm talking to my family? I sent you back there for a reason.
Who the fuck you talking to?
Did he feel the 1-2 licks?
What's he doing? He crazy.
Did he feel the licks I hit his
Hell,
ass?
you crazy too.
No.
You the one
Why
talking
would
to
you just punch the air like that?
Who the hell you talking to like that?
Shit.
He not even
damn it.
right there no more. Go. Say where you from.
Shit.
Where you from?
He didn't feel the 1-2?
Where are you from?
No.
He from West Tennessee. What the fuck is
That's all he
wrong?
had to say. But So they want to know what year did y'all graduate? What year did you?
Oh my God, you asked too damn much. I'm not.
This is what you do in a mukbang. Do y'all see?
I'm too old.
What year did you graduate?
I can't tell you. Then y'all be counting on your fingers.
What year did you graduate?
To see how old I am.
Oh. He didn't graduate, but listen.
I got a GED though, goddamn.
So what message do you got to people thinking about dropping out?
Don't do it.
No.
Don't do it, y'all.
Unless you already set.
Yeah.
Cause ain't not one job out here
The waffle taste good.
recommend you to them do a math problem. Besides architect, you know what I'm saying, people like them like them.
Mm.
But if you're working on goddamn it,
You can't get it. What the hell you talking about?
oh, man.
My bad. He trying. Don't interrupt my uncle when he's speaking. Please shut up. Shut up. All right. What was you saying?
Something wrong with you. When I get through eating, I'm finna go. Cause I can't sit here. You talking some damn bar. I can't fucking sleep.
I forgot what the fuck I was going to say. Cause this motherfucker over here.
Shit. I ain't finna sit here with her and talk to somebody I can't fucking see. I'm
You should have
telling
fed the motherfuckers. Is he thirsty?
Yeah.
He could get his own water.
Food, juicy. Yeah, they crush it.
Oh! Don't ever try to reach for my food. You know I'm hungry. Why would you do that?
Hell, I thought it was a bug or something on the damn table. Wait, she
Stop trying to reach for. Back up. That's what I thought.
Lord Jesus Christ.
Please help him.
Please, Lord.
What?
I don't know who she over here patting.
Oh, did I get 2 shirts?
I guess she
Oh,
did.
yeah, it has to be me because y'all didn't get
You the only one got waffle.
the waffle pretty good though. Yeah.
Well, good, cause I'm glad because you didn't get one to the other day, so now you got a waffle. When you usually gonna go to Waffle House, did you get your waffle?
But that was about, as you say something, I see what you're talking about.
Excuse me.
Are they making the waffle with the fish?
That's what I'm saying.
Do it taste like fish?
No, because the little same black dots right here is on that waffle.
But yeah, y'all.
I'm mad at them motherfuckers.
So what age?
Well, you the one wanting us to go down there. Shit. We could have went to damn Hot Wings. Hell, Max Hot Chicken.
So listen.
You could have got you
They
some
want
wings.
to know.
And this ain't, boy.
They want to know, have y'all ever? When the last time y'all been in a relationship?
Who?
Y'all.
Who was y'all? Ain't none of their business for me to be telling them some shit like that. I'm too old.
Why would you? We was never together. We was never in no relationship. Let's get that straight.
Who the hell?
We was never together. I'm asking them that. We was not together. I was never with you. So cut that out right now. I don't play none of that. But me, y'all, so
Oh,
let's see.
Jesus. Who the hell
It's been
you
a minute.
talking
It's been a
to?
hot minute. I graduated, 2022.
Do
So
what?
when the last time y'all been in a relationship? Oh, y'all can see this mukbang is all over the place. This their first mukbang, y'all. Please excuse them.
I gotta wash my hands.
They talking about I'm tripping and I'm acting
You are
weird.
tripping. You talking to damn people that I don't fucking see.
I think she's crazy.
You just punched the air, but I'm the crazy.
I'm trying to punch this.
Well, you know we should have said when you go to a new place, you gotta sit down and eat.
Boy.
That's our handshake. You seen that?
I thought you said that wasn't dating.
I have my
And
ex.
you don't throw the kiss to her.
This is my ex.
Whoever said over the air.
That's my ex.
I ain't paying attention to this motherfucker, man.
Back
She
up
don't-
on that bull.
She don't throw some damn kiss, but hell, she said they ain't been dating. I'm finna go.
Y'all met him.
I ain't met him. How the hell I'm gonna meet somebody I ain't never seen?
Stop playing with me.
Shit.
All right, y'all, but
Yeah.
go cheat then. Go. I don't care. We're not together. We was never together. My uncle, his hair was grown back in the day. Why are you trying to comfort him just because I told you to leave? Talking about his bald-headed ass. He's not even that bald.
Who the fuck?
My bro.
Talking that you didn't get up and slap him.
Like, and then talking about my granny and stuff.
I don't give a damn what he said about me. Cause the motherfucker ain't gonna say it in my face. I know that.
I'm he's in your face.
No, he ain't.
He just said it.
He ain't in my face.
Back up on my.
Yeah.
Back up on my granny's face.
He gonna make me kill his ass.
He ain't in my face. He's still living. He ain't in my face.
Yeah, y'all. This was our mukbang. We're gonna get better. Y'all, I'm just playing. I mean, they knew obviously I'm playing, but they tried to play along. I thought it was gonna be a different reaction, but
I'm mad still.
yeah, y'all. This was our mukbang, and we did eat a little bit in the car, so that's why we didn't really eat much.
Yeah, cause it's nasty.
But yeah, the food not coming on. We went to a new place, and we drove about 20 minutes.
Yes.
Just to go.